Hi, my name is Larry Newman. I'm a criminal defense attorney. My practice is located in Ithaca, New York. I focus on DWI defense and traffic violations, and today I'd like to talk to you about DWAI drugs. One of the bad things about a DWAI drugs is that a DWAI drugs charge only has the level of proof of any extent of impairment. It has the same level of proof as the traffic offense for alcohol, but applied to a drug charge. So we don't have to show mental and physical incapacity to operate an automobile. We only have to show any extent of impairment by a drug that's in your system to prove a DWAI drugs charge against you. The good things about the DWAI drugs charge, there's always a balance to everything. There's a good and there's a bad side, is they can't just show that you had the drugs in your system. They have to show that the drugs did cause an impairment. So if somebody's car was pulled over because of an equipment violation, then we don't even have driving that shows any impairment. The charge is now weak compared to a charge where you're all over the road. Drugs charge is also not going to trigger a suspension of your driving privileges. With a DWAI charge or a DWI charge, they can suspend the driving privileges if we have 0.08 or more alcohol, or there was a refusal of the breath test. These things can trigger a suspension pending prosecution. With a DWAI drugs charge, since we don't have alcohol in your system, generally speaking, judges do not suspend driving privileges. One of the other things about DWAI drugs charges is, you're not going to be able to get a conditional license to drive. At the end of your case, the Department of Motor Vehicles will probably be able to offer you what's called a restricted license to drive. Conditional license, all conditional licenses are related to alcohol drinking related charges. They are not relatable for charges that are not alcohol relatable. So you'd be able to apply for what's called a restricted license, which still gives you the ability to drive for school, for work, and for medical care. If you have any questions about your DWAI drugs charges, please give me a call at 607-229-5184 or go to my main website and blog. It's www.ithacadwi.com. Be more than happy to help you with your DWAI drugs case. Thank you.